One of the most common questions that Thomas and I get about the iOS 6 simulator is when will builds be available for macOS, Windows, and Linux? Well, after some discussion, Thomas and I have decided to start releasing nightly builds for the iOS 6 simulator. These builds will be made available every single time a new version of the simulator is pushed to the GitHub repository. They will usually contain small things like bug fixes and other minor changes to the simulator to improve overall stability. To download them, head over to the GitHub repository and click on the Actions tab. You will find a heading labeled Artifacts. You can download whichever version suits your operating system's needs. Please be aware that you do need a GitHub account in order to actually download these artifacts. Unfortunately, we are not able to change them as this is a rule imposed by GitHub themselves. Proper releases will also start to be made for the iOS 6 simulator, but they will be reserved for feature upgrades like the upcoming Assistive Touch and Spotlight upgrade. These builds will be available for download without a GitHub account. We hope you enjoy what we've made, and thank you for sticking around and supporting the project.